Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your Honda Fit. If you are new here, I'm an actual working tech that's looking to save you some money by making these straight to the point videos. Step one is going to be to locate your airbox lid. Then you are going to locate the 4 clips on the lid and unclip them. There's 2 on the front, 2 on the side. Then you will remove the airbox lid and you can just pull it straight out of the boot. It is not clamped. Put that up out of the way. Pull out your old air filter. Replace with a new air filter. You're going to want to make sure that this tab is oriented to this cutout in the box where your lid won't close. Reinstall the airbox lid. Slide it back into the boot here. And then fasten on 4 clips. And that's it. You've replaced your own air filter in your Honda Fit. If this helped you at all, please give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Comment below what else you'd like to see.